lo que yo vine fue a esto.
What are you doing? Oh, Lola. Hey!
Oh, you.
Harness training, take one.
No, he's gonna make it.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Oh!
And we're going to test to see if we would survive.
Oh my god.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Bitch. Oh my god!
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Hi.
I can record the toe beans. You ain't gotta look at me like that.
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
Just hugging him, man. You gotta do
Him that much. Hoppy!
Quit! Yo, brother.
Hey. What a good boy. Oh shit.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
I'll give you a piece.
Hi.
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
Spicy. Hey, spicy. Come here.
Pull the lever, Kronk. Mila! Mila!
It's gonna be hot.
She was a fairy.
Excuse me?
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
She was a fairy.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
You cannot have an entire loaf of.
Dirty.
he's inspecting.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Brother,
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was
Sound.
You're scaring me.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Here, kitty. You can have cheeseburger.
It's you.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
let's find out. What are you doing?